What's up, YouTube? Welcome to Smitty's, the truck and travel channel. As you can tell, I am still at a campground. I've been bouncing back and forth between campgrounds on the Blue Ridge Parkway that I mentioned in a previous video. These campgrounds are really nice. They come with showers, they come with water, some of them come with electric. They have tent sites, they have camper sites, they have RV sites. There's a lot to choose from out here. And the prices aren't that bad. Between $10 and $50, I think it was. So I pride myself on being the most truthful and honest person that I can be, because that's all I have in this world is my word. But I honestly don't know what to do with my life now. My life has been military, go, go, go. It's been amazing. My character has grown into that persona as well. But now that I'm not in the military, I honestly don't know what to do with myself. I don't know if I should just get a job, get a house, settle down, have a little homestead somewhere. Should I continue to travel? Should I live on the road? But then comes the fact that I don't have a lot of money. Yes, the military is providing compensation. It's not a lot, but providing a little bit from my injuries that I incurred in the military, which is nice. I get that for whenever they stop. But it's nice to have a little bit of money to get me from A to B, and then once I get to B, I'll worry about what I'm gonna do in B, and then to get to C, whatever I'm doing in B has to get me to C. I hope you get what I'm saying. But what would y'all do? Like, I know I ask you this a lot, but I'm really curious on how people think. Because me, like I said, I've been military driven. I've been the hardest working person that I know. And now it's like I'm curious, what would you do if you're in my situation? You have a little bit of money. You can travel if you want to. I'm thinking about maybe I should go back to school, but I don't know what to go to school for because I already got my bachelor's. I already have my bachelor's in business. And then the other side of my brain is like, oh man, you've been working so long, so why don't you just enjoy your life and go travel and go see things? And I'm like, that's another thing that the military did for me too, is it allowed me the opportunity to be able to travel. Because I've been to a lot of places. I ain't been to a lot of places very long, but I've been to a lot of places. I think there's probably maybe 10, 15 states that I haven't been to. And most of them are northeastern. So up to New York, I haven't been past New York, so all those states up there, all that little cluster of retardedness back when they were establishing states. Like, why couldn't you just make that one state? Why does everybody have to have, why is there 15 states in that one little cluster? That's the other thing. Where do I go? Where do I go? As you can see, I'm in a conundrum because I don't know what to do with myself. I don't know where to go. I don't know where to live. Any insight would be remarkable if somebody can provide some insight. My email is always linked in the description, or if you just want to shoot up a comment, that'd be much appreciated too. I get more emails than I do comments though, which is greatly appreciated. But yeah, the other day, you will not believe how I almost died. Like, I was scared for my life. I didn't know what was gonna happen. I actually filmed a piece of it. I'll put it right here. But I was going up the mountain. I think I was at like 2,500 feet, and the fog was so bad that I could not even see. I saw my headlights, but it looked like my headlights were just pointing at the sky because it was so foggy. I couldn't, like, if I stuck my hand out in front of my windshield, I couldn't even see my hand. But in the video, that I filmed, you can see a little bit of waves in front of my vehicle. That's what I was using to drive up here to get to this campsite. I was using my camera because the camera can see through the fog a little bit better than I can. But yeah, it's about to rain, so I'm gonna go take a shower real quick, and I'm gonna hop in here and watch some TV and cuddle up for the night, because it's like 60 degrees, so it's kind of chilly out here, but it feels great. So I just woke up, and I don't think I've ever shown you my setup while I'm inside my 4Runner. To my right side, I got myself a MagSafe car charger, a fan. It's 40,000 hours. Has 3 settings for lights, 4 settings for fan, and it also has a timer. So if you could set it for like maybe go off in 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, etc., etc., etc. And if I scroll over here, have a secondary fan right there, same as the other one. Got my iPad mount. It swivels, comes out, as you can see. Got a Bluetooth speaker right here. Got some water, got some Gatorade, got some napkins for any spills. Yeah, it's a pretty decent setup. Pretty decent. I bet you can't figure out what I'm watching. And because with window tint, you can see in when it's dark outside and you have lights on in here, I have some reflectix over my window. I made these specifically just for the back. I have one on the back, and then on the side, and then on this side. I don't have any on the back windows, the front windows, but I do have one on the windshield, and that's the same retractable shade I always put it on my cars. And the nice thing about these fans is they come with a little remote. See on the left side, you have your fan speeds. So right here, hot, low, medium, high. Controls your lights, and then controls your timer. I was wrong, it's 2 hours, 4 hours, and 6 hours. There's your lights, 1, 2, and 3. Fan, fan, fan. These things really do put out some power. And another good thing is about this 4Runner, my remote start that I added. I'm about to go to the store, so all I got to do to warm up my car, instead of jump up to the front and start it and hop back here while it's warming up, just hold the button 3 seconds. Fires right up. So now I can just lay back here, continue watching TV until my vehicle is warmed up and ready to go. And I will be adding a button to roll down the window and open this hatch, this back hatch, real soon, so stick around for that. All right, so it's been a couple days since I filmed last, and I am currently at Lake Powhatan. I wanted to come check out the actual lake. If you're curious on where I'm at, Pisgah National Forest, Lake Powhatan. And there are bears everywhere out here. I just got done with my run, ran around this cool little park, Powhatan Lake, whatever I said earlier, I forget. And I came upon these little teeny tent houses. I don't even know what you'd call those, but they're freaking wicked. Check it out. This is the side. There's a little fire. I just walked through a spider web. Dog on it. But there's the side. This is the back. The only thing I don't understand, right, this is the other side. The thing that I don't understand is, there's the bathroom right there, the bathhouse where your showers and your bathroom is. Why is the front of it near the, facing the bathrooms? The road is right there. Shouldn't it be facing that way? Why is the porch on this side? Who knows? I really want to look in there, but I don't want anybody in here. I rolled it up just a little bit. Check that out. Little cot, bed, cooler, cool. Check this guy out. Damn, check out that view behind me. I'm at another campsite. Don't remember the name of it. Ballin Lake? Baldin Lake? Baden Lake? Something like that. But check out that. And your spot is like right up there. Right where that pole is. My car is across the street. But check that. Check this view. Oh. I'm just waiting for the camp host. I don't know where they are. I can't fill out a slip and I can't reserve a spot because there's no one. So this is the actual spot where you park. That's where you put your tent, right there. But you park your RV like right here, right where I'm standing. But look at that view. That's so awesome. Here's another spot. Good gracious, these are awesome.